It's time to make this look pretty. Stick with me. That's dirty because it's been outside for a year. Whoop. Whoop. Then this should go right over that to like there. What was nice about it, if that wasn't there, I could just be done. I got a cutter on that thing.
Would it be easier just to cut the wood?
Might be. Alright. If I were you watching that, I'd say, boy, Sean, did you put enough nails in that? Yes, I did. It's going to hold. That's fantastic. Probably made a huge mistake. I hate this.
Day 3.
So it's been a couple of days since I've been out here last, and even though this looks okay up here, down below it looks terrible, so I'm going to tear it all out and redo it. Well, I don't like that. I'm not sure a good way to do this. Probably cut it, right? Wouldn't you think cutting it would make the most sense? Oh, hey, still got that sweet haircut, man. Oh, pooper. The issue is, I know what to do, I just don't want to. I just marked that at 14.5 inches. I even know it's not right. I mean, it's right-ish, and it's just a bathroom, so if it's off by a little bit, maybe you won't see it because it's over there, but I don't really know a good place to do this. I guess I'm gonna go outside in the rain. Come on. This is stupid. So is anybody going to offer me a job running one of these all day? I don't even want myself to do it. I would fire me. I'd be like, if I was the boss, I'd be like, you're fired. You don't know what you're doing. You're not safe. You don't have the right equipment. Those are sweet sunglasses, but that's not what we're supposed to be wearing. If we get this one half done tonight, and we'll call her good. I'll make it work, but I screwed that up. I was off by a ways, but I'll slide it over. I think it'll be okay. Or I'll just come out tomorrow and tear it down and I guess try it again, right? Because, well, that's what you do. You just try. Is that good enough? So it's pretty bad, but it's better than it was. Hey, come here. I'll show you what I did. So this here, It's a little wet. It looks okay, right? Not great. This is what I decided to do down here. Tell me if I'm being janky. Down here, I've decided to just get more of this. I got another sheet of it, just run 2 pieces this way, and then I'll go right down to the floor, and then I don't have to worry about cutting a fancy piece of metal that really I have no business doing, and it's just a matter of time before I cut my finger. So, and also, there's going to be cabinets up above, upper cabinets and lower cabinets, not on this piece, but on this wall, which is going to come out 2 feet. So I think it'll be okay. I think I can cut, I wouldn't say I cut a corner, because I'm doing a bad job, but I don't know. Its only job is just sit there and let you poop in it. So I think it's going to be fine. Let me know. I really want to know what you guys think.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notifications. Bye!
Bye. Peace.